Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Basecamp projects, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Basecamp projects. Press the enter key to proceed. Once the page loads, look for the login option. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will now see fields to enter your email and password. In the email field, type in the email address associated with your Basecamp account. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid login issues. Once you have confirmed your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is accurate, you will be taken to your Basecamp project's dashboard. If you encounter an error, ensure that your email and password are correct. You might also consider clicking the Forgot Password link if you cannot remember your password. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, you can navigate through your different projects and tasks. Explore the various features available to manage your projects effectively. You are now ready to start using Basecamp projects for your team's collaboration needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.